This woman, mouth and eyes suddenly disappeared while editing.
In this video, I will show you how you can create movies explanation shorts or videos like this, and you can also earn money online from it. I will create this in 4 steps only. First step is to generate transcript from the YouTube video. Choose any videos or shorts you want to create in another language.
उसको अस्थमा और डायबिटीज था और उसका शरीर का निचला हिस्सा भी पैरालाइज था।
Now edit the URL to sorts to video and click enter. Now go to description, click on more, and scroll down, you will find transcript option. Click on it. And here it is transcript of this video. Copy the transcript. Second step is to convert this transcript to English language by using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and paste whole transcript and right here to convert to English and click enter. Now script is generated in English language. Copy it. Now third step is to generate voice using Elevenlab website. Once you open this website, select text-to-speech option, and here you can paste whole script, and you can choose voice model as you want, and click on generate, and after a few seconds, you can check how it is generated.
The girl noticed that underneath the medicine there was another hidden label. This medicine, her mother had been giving her daily since she was 18.
And click here to download it.
Download YouTube video.
The fourth step is to edit video using Capcut. Open your Capcut application, now upload your videos and voice that we have created. Now edit this video if you are creating shorts. After everything done, just export it and save it. And here is the final result.
The girl noticed that underneath the medicine there was another hidden label. This medicine, her mother had been giving her daily since she was 18. But the girl used to pretend to swallow the pill and spit it out once her mother left. She had been taking this medicine since childhood because she had asthma and diabetes, and the lower part of her body was paralyzed. The girl had never thought about it, but one day when she saw her mother's name on the medicine in the shopping bag, she became suspicious. She took out the medicine from the cabinet, looked at the label underneath the bottle, and at night when her mother was sleeping, the girl took the lift and was about to search for the medicine's name on the internet. But suddenly the internet went off